Hey guys, finally getting to work on the T-626. Got the new steering knuckle in, and lo and behold, got a new used turbo. Came with the manifold, but I'll figure it out. The turbo in here, that guy, it's no good. Excessive play. After it warms up, it smokes heavily. Don't smoke a lick until it's fully warmed up and under boost. This is old school turbos here. This is an old IHI. It's a little turbo. Little. Now, many of you aren't new to my channel, so what this is a 91 626 DX that somebody put in the 2.2 turbo out of an MX6. Now, for eagle-eyed viewers out there, this thing has K-Sport coilovers. What are my plans with this? Street legal rally car. Always wanted one. Interior's gutted. Put a roll cage in it. All the lights work. Brake lights work. This will be fun to throw around on dirt and on the road. And it's got the MX6 intercooler. So right now on the old turbo, it's putting out about 10 PSI. So yeah, this is going to be my build. I'm going to go ahead and start working on the turbo here in a few days. Now I'm going to work on that steering knuckle. All right, guys. Later.